Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about decode function, which is condition expression function. There is two type of condition expression function. First is case expression. Second is decode function. We already learned about case expression function in previous video. You can check from Snowflake playlist. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? You can check from Snowflake playlist. This is my Snow site web UI. So let's get started with decode function. Decode function in Snowflake is a conditional expression function that compare a select expression to a series of search expression and return the corresponding result expression. It is similar to case statement, but a little bit it is simpler syntax. Here is the syntax: decode function, expression or column, then search expression, then search expression match the value with expression, then give results as shown as you want search expression and result. At the last we apply default value. Okay, so let's understand by example. Here I am creating table called fruits and two column names and color. So if I execute this statement, click here to run this statement, table is created called fruits. Inserting some value into fruit table, apple, which is name of the fruit, and red is the color of the fruit. We are inserting 4 value. Let's see the results. Here is name of the fruit and color. Now using decode function to assign the rating of each fruit based on its color. Okay, here I am selecting name and color. We apply decode function to color. Here we use color. If the color is red, then its rating give good. If yellow, then okay. Orange, then great. Otherwise bad. If I execute this statement, you can see the result here. Give alias name rating. Red, then good. Yellow, then okay. Orange, then great. Otherwise bad. Okay. Here I am using a Snowflake sample data for this example. In this sample data and tpch underscore sf1 schema and use customer table. Here I am selecting customer key, market segment and account balance from customer table in same schema, and we apply decode function into market segment. If market segment is equal to machinery, then we increase the account balance to 1.10. If market segment is building, then we increase the account balance to 1.15. If furniture, then 1.20 into account balance. Otherwise account balance. If I execute this statement, you can see the results. Here is the building, then 1.15 increase the account balance. If not any such expression match with market segment, then default value as a account balance. For example, this is same. Okay, let's move to another example. Here if you do not use default value for non-matching condition, then returning the null value for non-matching condition. You can see the result. Here I am selecting customer key, market segment, account balance as above, but here we are not using default value at the last here as we use account balance. Okay, so if I execute this statement, you can see the results. Here automobile is not in search expression, then it's returning the null value. In same way here household returning null value because household is not in search expression with market segment. Okay, that's all about decode function. One request, viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.